Baby tips for new dads. If you're a dad out there and you're wondering how to build confidence with your baby, how to help your wife, how to support your wife and your new family, I've got you. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Victoria and I'm a midwife, childbirth educator, birth coach, doula, and I love everything pregnancy, labor, childbirth, postpartum, motherhood, parenting, and my goal is to empower you to birth beautifully and of course feel confident raising your babies. Today I'm doing a video for dads and of course moms can watch too. So if you know a new dad out there, make sure you share this video with them and let's get started. If you're new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube know that this video is valuable. And of course, do not forget to subscribe and on the notification bell. It's totally free and it helps you know when I release a new video. The first tip for you as a new dad or new mom is holding your baby. There is so much confidence you can get when you hold your baby. I just was helping a mom and she shared some things with me which I cannot share of course right here, but the bottom line was it was kind of hard to bond with a baby and she didn't know if she could do it. And when she started to spend more time with the baby, when she started to do more skin to skin is when you have your skin bare and of course your baby is skin bare as well, meaning you both don't have clothes on and you're holding each other. It helps with bonding. And even if your clothes are still on, it still helps with bonding. But of course, more skin to skin helps with bonding. So for you dads, it's very important when you can hold your baby, spend as much time with your baby. Look at their eyes, look at their head, touch them, talk to them. This helps your confidence with your baby. Yes, I know they're tiny. Yes, I know it's like they're fragile. But let me tell you, they're strong because they came out strong and healthy. So you will be fine. Start by what? Holding your baby, spending quality time with your baby, watching them, talking to them, and yeah, you'll gain the confidence. Number 2 is changing their diapers. Changing their dirty diapers when they've peed, when they've pooed. This also gives you confidence with your baby. 2 things I want you to remember is with the umbilical stump, which is not right here, but you know their belly button, especially when they're first born, it's still right there, it's getting dry, sometimes it's still like wet. Make sure when you put in the diaper that you're not covering it. Make sure it's left open. Make sure the diaper is underneath it so that it can dry up. Of course, the cloth will be on top of it, but the diaper has to be underneath the umbilical cord or stump. Number 2 thing that I want you to remember when changing your baby's diaper is to never wipe from back to front. Never wipe from back to front. And the reason being that you might be introducing germs from their anus to their penis or to their vagina if they're ladies. So even for you as an adult, you never want to do that, right? So please never wipe from back to front. Instead, wipe from front to back. All right? Let me know in the comment section what diapers tip you have for new dads or for new moms in the comment section. Another thing is your baby will cry. It's very normal for them to cry. 4 things I want you to remember when they're crying is number 1, they might need attention. We all like attention. And remember, they just came from the womb where they were with their mommy 24/7. And now they are in the world where they're not with them 24/7. So they might just need attention. They might just need someone to just hold them, to just be close to them, right? Because that's what was happening inside, right? When your wife was pregnant. So you could help your wife by what? Holding your baby, like I said, tip number 1, if they're crying, it might just be because they want attention. So spend time with them, hold them, skin to skin, talk to them, read to them, sing to them. Another reason why they might be crying is because they're hungry. Yes, hungry. Watch out for cues like them smacking their mouth or rooting when they're like when you touch them, they're like almost grabbing your hand, right? These are cues that shows that they're hungry. So if they're hungry, you can give your baby to your wife to breastfeed, or if you're formula feeding, you can start giving them, start mixing the formula to give to your baby. And of course, you can also help with feeding your baby. Yeah, your wife could pump the milk into a bottle, so you can actually also feed your baby by a bottle if you guys are okay with that. This would give you confidence with your baby. Another reason why they might be crying is because they're in pain. They might have colic, which is when their stomach really hurts. And so this is another reason why a baby could cry. So you want to soothe them and help them and hold them to help them pass through this. And of course, the last reason why a baby could be crying could be because they're just tired. We all get tired, so your baby could also get tired. So what can you do when your baby is tired? Rock them to bed. They'll probably fall asleep in your hands. Let me know in the comment section some other reasons you think baby cry and what you do to help your baby stop crying. And the last tip I'm going to share with you today is you bonding with your baby. Yes, bonding with your baby. There are ways you can bond with your baby aside from holding them. Try having a routine with them. Do you like taking bath for your baby? You could be the one that takes baths for your baby, washing them in the night before they go to bed or washing them in the morning. These are ways to build confidence with your baby. You could change their diapers. You could talk to them. You could sing to them. You could read with them. You could have skin-to-skin time with them. You could bathe your baby. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is bonding with your baby. With bonding with your baby, it takes intentional. It takes you to be intentional. You could start by having a routine with them. Is it bathing them daily? Is it changing their diapers often? Is it talking with them often? Is it reading to them every night before you go to bed? Whatever you do, make sure it's like a routine for them. Make sure it's something you both do every day, or 3 times in a week, or 5 times in a week. And remember that this routine can even start in the womb. Even when your wife is pregnant, you can start talking to your baby. They can hear your voice. Anything you start from when your wife is pregnant can continue until your baby grows up. Let me know in the comment section if there are other tips you would give to a new dad to help him bond with his baby. I hope this video has been educative, informative, and also giving value to you. If you've gained value from this video today, make sure you share this video on your social media pages. You can tag me. My Instagram handle is right up here. You could also share it on your WhatsApp groups and in other social media groups that you have. Until next time, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless.